My name is Jim Ingman and I represent the 650 employees of Drexel Building Supply and Drexel Building Systems. Our innovation is off-site construction. Off-site construction is the assembly of building materials away from a construction site. These materials are assembled in a plant that uses digital technology and manual labor to create a better, safer building. Our innovation solves the issue of labor and weather delays. Those are the two big factors with building a home. In Wisconsin, we have 4 seasons, fortunately, and for 3 of those seasons, it is pretty rough to build outdoors. By creating innovation, we are actually pre-assembling the majority of a residential building or a commercial building in a facility, bringing that building out to a construction site and assembling it in half the time it would normally take in the field.